Hi everyone, welcome to Excel trick. So we continue with the previous playlist. There we are doing the Excel AI function using a ChatGPT. So today we are doing the ai.extract function. So how the ai.extract will be work in Excel. So this is the add-ins. You have to go in the add-ins and you need to add the Excel ChatGPT. Then you can access these all functions in the Excel. So ai.extract. So extract a specific types of data from a given text. So it's like a flash fill. So I have done the flash fill. So flash fill is like work. If you want to extract something from a text, you can use the flash fill. So how the flash fill work? So let's see. Let's suppose I have a text here. I want to extract only the name from this text. Okay. So simply I need to write manually the person name John here. Let's suppose my name is John and country is Ireland. So I write it the John here and selected the blank cell of the below, then press Ctrl E. Now you can see here this flash fill option is coming and the shortcut is Ctrl E. So it's showing the all the name John, Saurabh, Alan, Miraka, and the names are here. Okay, but now if I'm saying that I want to extract the country name of the all this, okay, all this text, so I need to write the country name. So let's suppose John is living in Ireland, so I'm writing the Ireland here, and then I'm extracting the I'm pressing Control E. Now you can see here they not showing the correct name, like John is Ireland, Saurabh in Bharat, and Alan is the America is showing only the A, and Miraka is Malta is correct, but it's not exact correct. Okay, so if your text length is different and everything is different, so it's showing the different results. Okay, so now we have a new function that is a ai.extract. So how it will be work? So let's suppose I want to extract the place. Okay, so simply I need to write here ai.extract then value. So which value you want to extract? Let's suppose this is my value, this is my text, and you need to select that value. Let's suppose place. Okay, so then press enter. Okay, now you can see here is showing the busy. Now I'm dragging down. Now you can see here is everywhere is showing the Ireland, Bharat, America, Malta, because my this place is not fixed. That's the reason it's showing the error. Okay, so now same for the name. Now I want to extract the name. So how we need to extract ai dot extract. Okay, and value, this is my value text, and this is I want to extract the name of the person. Okay, so then I freeze this, then enter. Now and dragging down, so you can see here automatically they will be showing the all the name. So this is ai.extract. So ai.extract is very useful when you need to extract a specific thing from a specific place. You need to only write the place, you need to write only the country. So you get the country, I write it the place, so this is given me the place. Okay, and this is how the ai.extract is work. Thank you guys.